Elizabeth Ivanov. I prefer to go by Liz. I am from Unalakleet and I work for the tribe, my tribe, which is the native village of Unalakleet, as a tribal family coordinator. My curriculum is about their first animal that they've caught off from the land or the sea. I have a display there right on hand, which is of my animal that I caught for the first time, which happens to be a bull moose. It is not gonna only have their English name on there. I am actually gonna have them put their Eskimo name too. Their Inupiaq Eskimo name and the date. Hopefully they have the month and the day, but if they have the year, then that's fine. Mine is being cut out right now on a bamboo. Growing up, we'd always have a potluck or potlatch, that's what everybody calls it. It would be called first catch potlatch. And that's part of our culture is the traditional way is if it's something that you caught for the first time, that we hand it over to an elder. That way it can come back to us each and every time we go out